Now that we have winnowed the cacao, we have a whole bunch of nibs. The nibs need to get refined now. But before we can go to our next step, which is to ball mill it into cocoa liquor, we need to smash it into a paste. And so in this process, we have a pre-refiner. This pre-refiner has 6 rolls, 2 up here, 2 in the middle, and 2 down below. We can control how far apart they are spaced. So what we want to see, when the nibs enter the top of the hopper, they're going to fall through the first set of rollers and reduce, the second reduce more, and the third, we now have a nib that is refined enough that the fat is exposed. And because of that, we can now go to the next step and begin to ball mill it, and it will pump. But we cannot skip this step, because if we were to try and take nibs and go straight into our ball mill, it wouldn't pump. We need to smash and mix the fat and the solid.